Hey everyone, it is Andrea, and today I am coming at you with this week's new releases. And let me just tell you, first of all, there's a pop mystery. It's just so stinking good. And these kits this week, I love them. I'm obsessed with the way that they turned out. Also, this is going to be your final reminder that if you are not signed up for mystery, you really should be. It's super cute. I love the foil that's coming with it. It's one of my favorite foil colors, which I feel like is odd, but like not odd. So very excited for it. And like I said, if you're not signed up, definitely do. It's always exclusive art and it's always a great deal with the foil bundles. So the ultimate kit. Let's go ahead and get into this week's new releases. All of these releases will be live Wednesday at noon Eastern. First things first is we do have a color of the week. And y'all, what are the odds that this matches this kit perfectly? I like pre-did this color of the week, but like this pink is like perfect with this set. So this is like kind of like a textured, it's almost like a marble pink, which I thought would be really fun. I'm kind of trying to switch up some of the textures and things, but like still make them like very usable. Like I feel like this pink would work with a lot of different kits. Like I showed you that one. Like, and it's very close to, do I have it right here? It's very close in tone to the like Scribbler color, but obviously lighter. So you want to kind of like have a comparison there. But this is going to be the color of the week for this week. It's like a pink marble. It's available Wednesday through Sunday. And the sheets are available a la carte. And then you can also get the doodles in the buy all bundle. I do think in the future, whenever I have more sheets, I probably will be sticking to just a buy all bundle in the future. But for right now, I am going to still do them a la carte. But just letting you guys know that that probably will be coming in the future with how many sheets we have. And the buy all bundle is, I would say, 95% of what is sold. So just letting you know, heads up, but that is the doodle sheets. And then it also does come in the Scribbler sheets, which I always recommend picking up extra of these because whenever I do a spread, I usually use like probably about like 50 to 60% of the Scribblers if I have a sheet that matches. So love this color, and I'm having fun with the textures, and I'm really excited for the ones to come. Then I also have this one here, which is like sneaky. It's a little different than Side Eye, which came in last week. Let me pull it out. So this one is more of like a sneaky, and this one's more of like a Side Eye. I don't know if you can really tell the difference, but let me just, this one's kind of got like a smirk where it's like, and then this one's like more like angry mad. So this came out last week, and then this came out this week. So stinking cute. I have some new Scribblers on the way, and I'm also going to be releasing Friends, I think, within the next couple of weeks. They are done. I'm just waiting to release them, but so stinking cute. All of the little emotions. I love using these in my spreads to mark plenty of things. Also have some new characters this week. This is character 157 through 159. These were all requests. So we do have Lilo, Spider-Man, and Woody, which Spider-Man will come in perfect for Theo's birthday this year. He wants a Spider-Man theme. All of these are actually perfect. I could use them quite often. Super stinking cute. Then I also do have a new like little D-stash grab bag bundle type thing. This one will have no variation, so this will be version 1. So this is going to be a script D-stash, and they are all in the new font. So for example, this one does have a gold, actually this is Champagne Lights, sorry, the studio lights. Champagne Lights sampler, then there is a Sparkly Hollow sampler, an Andrea in Rose, a Target in black, a sampler in black, an Andrea in silver, Cuddle in gold, Months in matte silver, I believe, Andrea in gold, and then Payday in black. So a really nice variety of scripts here. So this will be added to a D-stash option. Last week we had a D-stash. It was the foil bundles, which was a really great deal. Those will probably still be in the new release section, but you got 5 foil bundles for a really great price. I think it was like $30. So, and also check out the flash sales every week, because this last week, and it might still be up by the time this video goes up, I usually take it down like Monday morning-ish, is the past mystery kits, like a random pull is on sale, and I feel like it's a really good deal. Then we have the new foil bundles for this week, which are really, really fun. This one here is kind of like a hot gold / orangey color. I'll show you in comparison to our regular gold, but this is like more of a hot gold. I guess I could just show you right here. So, well, that's Champagne Lights. Let me show you an actual gold. Here we go. this is our regular gold, and then this is a hot gold, which I feel like hot gold comes in great in the summer. It would actually look really cute with all of the kits released this week. Like I think that this, since it has like that like more yellowy color, like it's a really nice match. And then this one here as well, I feel like hot gold could go with anything that's actually gold. And then also the Pop Mystery, I feel like it would go really well as well. Go with it really well. I think that's pretty much the end of the story there. This is in the confetti version 2. So you have your new icons, new scripts, the updated date numbers. And I also am placing a humongo foil order. I'm updating the confetti, which there's still like, I think like 20 confetti bundles that still haven't been released. But there will be the new hole reinforcers, and I am also going to be releasing, I'm going to be ordering 2 new foil bundles, which I'm very excited about. One is like pretty universal, and then the other one is like slightly more niche, but still quite universal. I don't really do too many like super niche foil bundles, simply because I have to order so many of them to make it worth it for me. But I've been doing a lot of collabs with Hannah. I actually just started, well, I didn't start. I basically finished our next collab, which will come out in April, and it's so cute. It'll actually go really well with the March, I think, mystery kit, but also go well with a lot of kits that have already come out. And then this one here is a really fun foil. So that's like hot gold. It's like more common. But then we have this here, which just looks kind of like silver hollow, like whenever you look at it. But whenever you look at it not under studio lights, it's kind of like a wavy hollow, but like kind of liney. I don't know what to even call it. It's kind of like disco ball-y, kind of, sort of, or like sphere-y, liney. I don't know. I might just call it like hollow wave because it kind of does look wavy. I'm not sure, but it's really, really fun. It's something a little different. Again, I think it would look really cute with like this kit. Just bring out all of the colors, but that is going to be the foil bundles for this week. Those foil bundles, as per always, are $9.99 through Sunday, so always pick them up when they're on the discount, and then they go back to $13.95 after. And then let's go ahead and get into the kits for this week. So the first kit here is going to be like new art, and I am obsessed with this. Like, I feel like Jess is just killing it. She's like killing it so hard that you don't even know. Like, you think she's killing it, but like she's killing it beyond what you know. I'm just letting you know. Like, she's busting out art. She's so ahead with like her own shop, so ahead on customs. She's killing it. Killing it. Proud of her. She is doing God's work, honestly. So this is Blossoming, and it's just so stinking pretty. It's just like aesthetic. It's like aesthetic goals. It's very like having a paint party with your besties in the spring, summer, and I love it. I love the yellow in this. I'm a sucker for yellow. I love the puppy. Very, very cute. The little like paint set. I really went back and forth on the colors because there was like 2 other pinks in the set, which are the extra label colors, so you can pull them in. And I was like, oh, do I want to like take out the green or take out the blue? But I really thought that this colorway was speaking to me with like a bit how unique it is, and then how like spring, summer, like it really reads like May, June to me as far as like being a spring, summer transition, but also kind of reads August with that yellow. Love the bottom washi. You have like a kind of like grass pattern in the header, something that's so cute. And you have an extra box here. There's just so many also options for boxes that I was like, okay, we got lots of things here we could put in boxes. So that, my friends, is Blossoming. It also comes in a mini kit. And then let me go ahead and show y'all the add-on options. So we do have the functional, we have the doodle, the ombre, and then we also have the label sampler as well as label sampler 2 and then label sampler 3. So yeah, I was like, do I want to do like more of like a pink or like a this or like this or this or this? But I was like, I don't know. I was just vibing with this colorway, but if you want to add those in, you can, and it would be really, really cute. And then there is also fam options, and I was obsessed with the hair on this fashion box. Let me give you a little close-up. Oh, girl, I love it. So you have fashion 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So stinking pretty. And obviously I'm using this kit because I'm like beyond obsessed with it. It's so pretty. Then Then I have a reformat here, and I kind of forgot about that I was going to do this, but then I was looking through my like art folder. I have like a folder of art that like needs to get done, and I have like past like exclusive art kits in a folder that like aren't in shop in any format, and I was like, oh, we should do this one. I think it was called Lucky, possibly, but I have a Lucky kit in shop now, so this one's now called Lucky 1. I did like reformat the boxes and everything and change some things up, but this is exclusive art. It is St. Patrick's Day art, and it's very like modern, but still the classic colors, which I think is really fun. I think this original art came out in about 2019, but it still is a banger. You have the faux gold throughout, which is really fun. I still think these papers are so pretty, and I love the black with this kit. I just think it is so fun. It's like calling for either sparkly black or like champagne lights, or like a mixture of them both. And then you have the extra box here, which you can switch out for the different hair colors. I think it turned out so cute, and I feel like dress art is just, I'm just gonna say, it's just so timeless. Do you know what I'm saying? So you have the ultimate kit, you have the mini kit. Again, exclusive art, so you won't find it anywhere else. And then we do have add-on options. So we do have the functional as well as the doodle, the ombre, the label, and then label 2, which is the grays. If you want to make it less green, you could, or if you want to make it like lighter, brighter. So you have the gray, and then we do have fam options. So you have fam 1, fam 2, fam 3, 4, 5, and 6. And that is everything for Lucky 1. And then last but not least, we do have the Pop Mystery. But if you do not want to see that, thank you so much for watching. All these releases will be live Wednesday noon Eastern. But if you do want to see the Pop Mystery, which this is just such a fun one, and I have some things to show you that I plan on using with it, then stay tuned. But I'm going to give you a second if you would like to click off. Again, thank you for watching, and I will talk to y'all later. But let's go ahead and get into the Pop Mystery. I'm going to give you a little flyby if you just want to see the full boxes and be surprised by the rest. Ready, set. Okay, and now we're going to go ahead and go through the whole dang thing. So this one I am so excited about because I have, in this past year, had a newfound love for Alice in Wonderland. I just think Alice is so cute. I was Alice for Halloween, and I just think it was one of my favorite costumes ever. So let's go ahead and get into this kit. This is exclusive art, so you won't find it anywhere else. And I am beyond obsessed. This is Art by Dusk, and I just think it turned out so stinking cute. I love it, love it, love it, love it. Let's go ahead and flip through it. You have your extra boxes here. I love the little like toast butterfly, or the butterfly like butter, you know. Love the papers. Just did those for me. They're so cute. You have your deco. I love this pattern here. The roses, loved those as well. And then you have lots of things you could put quotes on, which is super fun. But I'm obsessed. I love it. I'm like, do I save it for a Disney trip? Do I use it for my birthday? I don't really know. So that is the ultimate kit. It also does come in a mini kit as per usual. Add-on option wise, you do have the option to add on the label. Label 2 is black, which is really fun. I feel like it could really change up the look of the kit. And I love this pattern. Then you have ombre, doodle, as well as the functional. And I just wanted to show you some things from Hannah that I picked up for this. I also think I might have picked up black underlays, but I'm not sure what I did. We'll see. Because I think it'd be fun to do a layer of like black solid, and then the argyle, and then the casino over top. It would be extra, but it would be extra fun. Do you know what I'm saying? So I did pick up the argyle in silver. I also picked up casino in sparkly red. I also picked up the Alice overlays in sparkly red. And then I also got this like custom bottom washi that's like the Alice. She does have an Alice bundle, but I just wanted the bottom washi, so I got custom, and then I just put, can you put the Alice bottom washi in here? And she did, because she's the best. Oh, you can't help that. We're all mad here. I'm mad, you're mad. And then you have the little teapots, which I thought was a very, very cute. And y'all, that's everything for this week's new releases. I think this kit would look really good with black foil, sparkly red foil. It might even look good with rainbow foil, if I'm being honest with you. But personally, because like Queen of Hearts, I'd probably do red or black. I think that's fun. But also I think, obviously, as I picked silver would be great. Hollow, sparkly hollow. any of those options would be quite fun and dandy. But that is everything for this week. Pop Mystery is always available from Wednesday at noon Eastern through Sunday, and then it is not available anymore. I am hoping to bring back the past Pop Mysteries soon, but it'll all depend on the production because we're a little tight right now. But that is everything for this week, and I will talk to you on my next video.